wait. Before you celebrate that weight loss, you need to see this, because what happens when you stop taking Wegovy is absolutely not what the doctors told you. And it's happening to thousands of people right now. Let me hit you with the truth bomb first. Within weeks of stopping Wegovy, your body doesn't just go back to normal, it goes into revenge mode. And the science behind why is actually insane. Here's what's really happening inside your body the moment you stop that injection. Wegovy works by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1 that tells your brain you're full. But when you stop, that hormone level crashes hard, and your brain interprets this as starvation mode. Your appetite doesn't just come back, it comes back with a vengeance. Studies say how people report hunger levels up to 3 times higher than before they ever started Wegovy. 3 times! Your body is literally screaming at you to eat everything in sight. But it gets worse. Your metabolism has been suppressed for months. When you stop the drug, your metabolism doesn't bounce back, it stays slow. So now you're extremely hungry and burning fewer calories than before. You see where this is going? The average person regains 2/3 of their lost weight within 1 year of stopping. Some people gain back everything plus more. We're talking about people who lost 50 pounds gaining back 70. The rebound is real and it's brutal. And here's the part nobody talks about. Your body's set point. Your brain has a weight it thinks you should be, and it will fight like hell to get back there. Wegovy artificially lowered that set point. But the second you stop, your brain hits the panic button and grinds you back up. There's also the psychological crash. You spent months feeling in control of your eating. Suddenly, you're battling cravings stronger than anything you've experienced before starting the medication. People describe it as overwhelming, obsessive thoughts about food constantly. Some people experience nausea and digestive issues when stopping because your gut has adapted to the drug. Your stomach emptying speed back up rapidly. You might feel sick, bloated, or have irregular digestion for weeks. Now here's where it gets controversial. Many doctors are now saying Wegovy isn't a temporary fix, it's a lifelong medication. Stop taking it and the weight comes back. Stay on it forever or accept the rebound. Those are your options according to current research. But cost reality hits different when you realize this. We're not talking about a 6-month weight loss journey. We're talking about paying over $1,000 a month for the rest of your life. And insurance companies are starting to catch on and deny coverage. But there's a small group of people who manage to keep the weight off after stopping. What are they doing differently? They're treating the stopping period like a second weight loss journey. Aggressive diet changes, massive increase in protein, serious strength training to boost metabolism. They're essentially hacking their biology to fight the rebound. High protein keeps hunger lower. Strength training rebuilds metabolic rate. They're not just maintaining, they're actively fighting their body's attempt to regain. The bottom line, Wegovy works incredibly well while you're on it, but it's not a cure. It's a treatment. Stop the treatment and the condition comes back. Your body doesn't forget its original weight. It remembers and it wants to go home. So if you're on Wegovy or thinking about starting, ask yourself this question. Are you ready to inject yourself every week for the rest of your life? Because that might be what it actually takes. The temporary fix doesn't exist here. This is the conversation doctors should be having before writing that first prescription. But now you know. The choice is yours. But at least now, it's an informed choice.